most welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Thank you so much, my 10 subscribers. So today, guess what? Here with me I have my tomato ice cubes. I'm going to be showing you how I use my tomato cubes every morning to get rid of dark spots, pimples, and also to look young. But before that, I'm going to be showing you how I make my tomato ice cubes. Then we come back and I show you how I apply them on my face. So my lovely viewers, for this remedy, we need a juicy tomato, we need a clean bowl, a sieve, and a knife. So I'm going to be cutting my tomato into two parts because I want to squeeze out that juice. If you have a blender, that's good, you can use it. But for those with no blender, you can use this method. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to hit on that bell button so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So my sweet viewers, you are most welcome back from the kitchen, and I'm going to be showing you how I apply tomato ice cubes on my face. And this is how I do it. I just get my ice cube, one. I start smearing it. Your face must be so clean. I start smearing this ice cube on my face gently. Most especially on a place with dark spots. You don't pierce yourself with this stick. You have to be so careful. So guys, you do it slowly This will leave your face so fresh and healthy. So after that, you have to remove this and keep your stick because you have to use it another time. Yes, make sure you wash it very well. And keep it somewhere safe. After that, you will have to wait for like 10 minutes before washing your face. So my 10 minutes are done, guys. I'm going to be washing my face. After that, I continue with my simple moisturizer. After that, I'll continue applying my simple moisturizer. And this is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is what I had for you today. We meet next time. Bye.